about to see the world in action, what we can be.
The sun is out. It's a beautiful day in Prague. I love this place. This is a great place to visit. Today I'm gonna speak, and then after that, there's a giant party tonight. Let's party. Fun thing, Leslie, I just went back to the room. She's still asleep. I'm gonna let her keep sleeping. I'm gonna go lunch, and then hopefully she'll wake up in time to come and see me speak in a little bit. So yeah, here comes another Prague vlog. Prague vlog number 2. Oh, look who woke up. Leslie's awake and we're leaving at 1:40 in the afternoon.
I didn't sleep most of the night though. It's not because I'm being lazy.
She got some good sleep.
I did.
So we have 2 hours until I have to be there to prepare for my talk. We could go there and watch some more presentations, which they're really good. Or I need to try to make up for yesterday. They're peeing on the country. Why? It's a map of the country. And take her somewhere romantic. That's what she said she wanted to do. So let's see if we can find somewhere more romantic than yesterday's statue that we went to.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights.
I don't know if it's still the case, but I remember like 10 years ago, it was a thing to be buying castles in Prague. In Prague, in the Czech Republic.
Why didn't you get one?
I looked. I like to look.
Yeah, so this turned into a door tour. Don't have crappy doors, according to Leslie. There's a green one. You like the green one?
I don't like the green, but I appreciate the orange.
I like the green. You like these doors?
Yeah, I do.
The blue ones?
Look at this. It's incredible.
That is a nice door. Now that is a cool door. This looks like the German embassy, maybe? Look at that thing. Wow.
We return you now to your regularly scheduled program.
Look at this car sculpture. Look at the car sculpture.
Yeah, this is the place I've been trying to get to, I think. Actually, this is not where we were trying to go. This is the back of the German embassy. You saw that door that we showed you? The big door with all the security cameras? That looks like the other side of it right there. And then look how beautiful the garden is. Wow, and then you've got this weird looking statue over here. That's, yeah, why not have that in the back of your embassy?
Do you know the historical background?
No. That nice German woman just told us the history of this building and why it's a very significant building for Germans. Back when there was East Germany and West Germany. I don't know the whole story, do you? What was the story?
All the East Germans were trying to come over here to get citizenship and be able to cross to West Germany. And the foreign minister got up in 1989, it says, and then there was a huge crowd, and he said that he'll give everybody, you know, access to West Germany, and everyone started cheering. The Palace Gardens?
Palace Gardens.
Aww.
It's like we're running away. And we can't stay in our beds all day.
I loved it.
You love the garden?
I love the garden.
Is it more romantic than the fountain yesterday?
Much more. much more.
Mission accomplished.
So that's beautiful. And there's our sightseeing for today. Now we've got to rush across town so we can speak, and then there's the big party tonight, and then tomorrow we get to go stay at a castle. So the bride is literally walking down right now. I don't want to walk, so we have to walk right past it. This is like her moment of her wedding. So we're kind of stuck here.
Do you think she's the bride?
Maybe we're good.
I don't think she's the bride.
Why would she be wearing a white wedding dress?
Because they're looking at somebody else down there.
I don't know. All right, we're just gonna go for it, I think. Hopefully we don't crash their wedding. Okay, let's just go for it. I think we're good. sure if you can see me right now, but we are backstage. I'm about to get mic'd up, and then there's going to be a few presentations before mine, and then I will go. You guys probably can't even see me, but look, I am now Britney Spears. Check it out. I don't know why I think of her when I think of these mics, but I feel fancy. Feels kind of funny. All right, let's go out there. Maybe we keep cutting things open. He's like, yeah, let's do it. So that's how What's Inside was born. All right, just finished. It was good. I would ask Leslie how I did,
awesome.
but she always says I do well, no matter what.
I smile so much that afterward my mouth hurts. Like, this is me.
That's really nice. I thought it went pretty well. It was fun. They gave me 20 minutes, which usually when we do these talking things, it's like 45 minutes or an hour. So it was tricky to fit everything in, but it was good. I think it was good. So now it's time for the dinner and the after party.
The time has come for this cookie!
Let me show you what we've got here. We've got this place. This is ice cream and cookies bar. You've got all these cookies and some ice cream. All right, it's cookie time. Chocolate chip. Yum. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Okay, let's do it.
Here we have the strawberry ice cream, pistachio, caramel, and chocolate.
What was that one again?
Pistachio.
Pistachio, chocolate. I'll do chocolate.
People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they won't disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together. Let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the wild, gotta get it right now.
We are done. We are out of here. We had lots of ice cream. With how dark it was in there and with the music, I thought it was gonna be totally dark out here, but we've got blue skies. We've got this giant contrail going through the sky. You love that word, contrails.
Yes.
There's a place called Old Town that is supposed to be really pretty. So this is our last night here before we leave to the castle tomorrow. And the castle is apparently very secluded out in a forest. So let's go check out Old Town. We made it to Old Town. This is it. It's a really cool, tons of tourists here. I'm gonna give you a beautiful music montage to slow motion and maybe some time lapses of this place. Get ready, go.
It is raining outside and we're still in bed. We don't wanna wake up yet. No.
What is this room?
Think of how long this must have taken.
Those are like little individual pieces
They're like
of tile.
mosaic tiles.
Yeah, like let's see. Let's zoom on this guy's face and you can see the mosaic. Look at that. Every one of those is a different rock for this entire room.
Tile.
What?
It's a tile.
It's a tile.
It's not a rock.
Well, an unexpected thing, we just ran into a cool museum that is unlike any type of museum that I thought that I would see in Prague. So we just filmed an entire separate video about this very unique museum. So I don't know what hints I can give you about it, but if you like tech, if you like smartphones, you're gonna like this video. On that note, I think we're gonna wrap up this video. We're gonna go enjoy the rest of our romantic evening with some food and a nice walk along the river. Sound good?
Yes.
All right, so goodbye everybody. Stay tuned tomorrow for a really cool video. See you guys.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away.
You wanna move to Prague?
Or somewhere in Europe.